What's up YouTube? Brandon over here at Twisted Acre Farms. Just want to do a short video trying to get it in before the rain comes. It's been raining the past 3 days. It's crazy. But anyways, just want to show you a brief overview of what we're going to do out here on the farm, what we plan on showing you guys, and all of that great stuff. So probably about a couple days ago, I just got a new shipment in of I don't even know how many fruit trees, but abundance of fruit trees. And we're doing the whole front yard. It's going to be a fruit forest to feed our family, learn different ways, permaculture and all that good stuff. We also have farm animals that we're going to be showing you guys. We have dairy goats, we have Nigerian dwarf goats. Right now we have about 3 of them. We also have a mini pig and 10 laying hens. We're also going to be throwing in some recipes and just do-it-yourself videos, farming videos, gardening videos. But I just wanted to show you a brief overview of the fruit trees that I have. Super excited, just got them in, and we're gonna let this thing grow into a forest that's gonna be awesome. So I'm gonna show you a brief tour of it. Over here is gonna be, on this side of our house, is gonna be citrus. So we have a Valencia orange there, we have a tangerine there, we have a cocktail citrus that does limes and lemons, and then beyond that we have a grapefruit tree. Just planted that guy today. Super excited. Over here on the other side of the yard we have a lychee, and then we have a guava, then we have our fig tree over there, and we have a Florida hybrid Hass avocado, Barbados cherry, mango, star fruit, strawberry tree, which when that blooms it's going to taste like cotton candy, so I'm sure the kids are going to love it. And then over here is our mulberry tree. Now in the backyard too, we have a lot of things going on in our backyard as well. The front is just going to be a lot of just fruit trees, tropical fruit trees, and Florida native fruit trees. In the backyard, let me see real quick. In the backyard, we have 2 different varieties of grape. Hey Pete, that's our pig. P. That's Miss Penelope right there. She's such a sweet girl. Come here, baby girl. Hey, my baby. Yeah. And we got a raspberry and a blackberry over there. We're gonna be doing a lot of videos in the backyard. That's probably majority of our time is gonna be back here, showing you guys what we're doing, different projects. Over here is our garden. This is our first year, so bear with us. We have a whole new setup that we're gonna do next year. It's gonna be great. But we have a whole bunch of different peppers, cucumbers, tomatoes, watermelon. Over there are purple whole peas, which I'm super excited about. We have a couple banana trees, our herb garden. Kids play area is a mess, of course. Right here is going to be our coop. That's going to be coming up soon. Our next video is going to be us turning this old shed into the laying hen coop. We have a papaya here, olive tree there, nope, that's Florida peach, and some blueberries. And here's our goats. We have 3 Nigerian dwarf goats. Walter, Josie, hey, Stella, come here, baby. Come on, come here, babe. They're busy right now eating, foraging. Hey, P. You hungry, baby? Huh? You hungry, P? There you go. There you go, baby. Hey, girls. Hey. Come here. Oh. Maverick, leave him alone. Hey, Josie. Stella. Hey, Stells. What you doing, girls? Huh? What you doing? Oh, baby girl. You guys hungry? Come on. Come on, let's eat. Here you go, girls. Here you go, Stella. There you go. You like that chaffee, huh? That's a good girl, Josie, huh? Hey, Stella. Good girl, Josie. Good girl. Walter, you hungry, boy? Huh? Are you hungry? Are you hungry, buddy? Oh, yeah, you are. You the hungry boy. There you go. There you go, big boy. There you go, boy, my stud. This guy's gonna be a stud. He's gonna make big, beautiful babies, huh? There you go. You love that chaffee, huh? Now guys, that white on that chaffee, all that is yeast. This is really high quality food for these goats. And they love it. Took them about a day to get used to it. This is a little playground they like to play in. And we're building pile. These little holes were from root balls from when the hurricane took down the trees, but now we're filling it up with compost. It's gonna be a good compost pile for the garden later, or plant something nice on the pile when it's done for the goats so they can eat it. But in a couple weeks, I'm gonna have a guy come with a bush hog, a skid steer with a bush hog, and tear all that stuff down and mulch it up for me. And all behind where the chicken coop's gonna go, that's gonna be all mulched up too. Maverick, what's up, dude? What's up, bro? What's up? Crazy boy. You ain't a livestock dog. You ain't a livestock dog, are you? Huh? Oh. Are you a livestock dog? Huh? What? You a crazy dog. Livestock dog. Guardian dog. Let's see how the chickies are. Hey, big girls. You guys are getting big, huh? You guys hungry? Hey, P, come here, girl. P. Hey, yeah, good girl. Look at this. Let me get this winter coat. So they shed their winter coat when it gets hot out, and she's been having a hard time. So what I come in here and do is I'll just run my fingers against the grain, and I won't pull it, but just rubbing it against the grain like a brush comes off in clumps. It'll help her cool down in the summer. Right, P? Right, big girl? She loves the belly rubs. She loves them. She don't flop down like she used to do when she was a baby. But she still loves them, huh? You love the belly rubs, huh, P? I'll tell you what, it's been a hot summer so far, and it's just gonna get hotter. So hopefully we can throw a pool up here soon. We'll show a video of that. Just gonna be showing a lot of videos. I'm gonna throw some recipes up in the mix here and there. Show you how to make some recipes with the fruit or the veggies that we grow. We're gonna do a lot of farm stuff with our animals. It's just gonna be interesting and fun. And hopefully you guys come along the way. Share, tell your friends, subscribe, like our videos. The more you guys do on your end, the more it's just going to help us grow our channel, grow our culture, you know, the farm, urban farm, and permaculture. It's going to be super excited and a fun journey. And I appreciate y'all tuning in. Like I said, like, subscribe, share.